Hi guys, hi Susie gang, hi guys. Guess who is back to Ibadan? Susan. Susan is back to Ibadan. Susan and Rejoice are back to Ibadan. We are finally back to our base, and we're about to struggle and hustle to make back the money we spent on this trip. Okay. Hi guys, my name is Susan Adike. If this is your first time here, my name is Susan, and I'm a lifestyle, travel, food, name it vlogger living in Nigeria. I don't have a base. I have a house in Lagos. I have a house in Ibadan, and I have a house in Abuja. So I don't have a base, okay? But yes, my main house is in Lagos. All right, guys. Anyways, I have a lot to do today. Sorry about my voice. I have a lot to do today, and I got kilishi from Abuja for a lot of people. I got kilishi for my friends. I got for people that asked me to buy for them. I also got for my family. I got a lot of kilishi, guys. Look at this. This is like almost 20,000 naira worth of kilishi. So I'll be sharing that out. And I also have a lot to do today. I'll be going to get a skincare product because Ghana did me dirty. Ghana and Togo did me dirty. Guys, this was not my complexion when I got back to Nigeria, but a whole lot happened. I traveled. I've been traveling in and out of my house. Like, I've literally not spent 24 hours in my apartment. Is that crazy? Anyways, my voice is gone, so I'll do all of this. I'm also going to University of Ibadan. I'm going to learn how to fly my drone and a whole lot more. But let me just do this first. It's going to be a long day. It's going to be a very long day. I'll get back to you guys probably when I am stepping out or when I'm having my breakfast, because I am not cooking today. Rejoice is going to cook. All through this trip, I've been the one cooking. So no, I'm living the baby girl lifestyle. Bodija,
No, Mokola first.
Mokola,
Bodija, then from Bodija to UI area, from UI to Yanagbala. Like, we have a lot to do. But hopefully, finger crossed, we achieve everything.
We'll definitely achieve it. Just transport fare that will suffer.
Amen.
So we are heading out right now. Finally, about to take over Ibadan.
Yes.
We have like 6 places or 5 places to get to. We're going to Mokola. I need to get a new charger, and we need to check the prices for a particular iPhone. Okay.
Yeah.
And after that, we are going to Bodija to get skincare, and she wants to give out giveaway for some people in
Yes,
Bodija.
no. My friends in Bodija, they must receive the kilishis that we bought.
It's the cliches for me. Then after that, we're going to UI. I need to get something and I need to deliver something.
Yeah.
And from there, we're going to Yanagbala. I need to see my father and my family. Very, very important. Then after that, we'll come back. I'm very sure it's going to be late because there is no possible way I'm spending 2 hours in my father's place.
Sure, we are spending like
more than that.
3-4 hours, and we eat.
It's very important.
Yeah.
Kokoni.
Just imagine there is a car.
I know, right? I are driving, but no, you just choose to be unfortunate.
Stop!
Go and buy car. You say no, we don't do that. Ah, wait.
Oh, your tick.
Damn, girl. Damn.
Send me money.
God, I beg you.
This distance is taking a hold of me.
Say you did not see me. You did not see me. 65
Yeah,
You are not serious. You are not serious. My love.
Ó ti yé mi tó ń jó yẹn.
Ègò ló ń jò mí mu. But if you want to travel now, plan it way.
Ó kàn mí yẹn máa ná 60,000.
Agbára tí ń jẹ́ tẹlẹ́dùmarè.
Ó ti ń bá owó plane.
And if you have plenty bag,
They
you
will
pay
charge.
more.
Common school bag, they are
They play.
charging as cost as 1,000 naira.
Hey.
School bag, there was one. Mo pé Ìbàdàn mo ti wá. Mo change ẹ̀ fún wọn.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ẹlẹ́wà yìí. Má dọ̀ ṣe pẹ̀lú ìgbéni.
Mo má travel tó bá ti ní ìkókó important tó yìí kò tiẹ̀ because you
Náà ló
spend.
bẹ̀rẹ̀ táwọn àdé.
Èkó gan ní 4,000.
Àkúrẹ́ gan ti di 5,000.
1,000 ló tẹ̀ máa ná pàdé.
Tó bá rí mo kúra mọ́ driver èmi. Mo kọ́.
Láwọn tó nídìí ni àbá.
Ẹ kí n tí mo fọ́ ti ara mi.
Ẹ bá pákéjì kìíní mi. Ọ̀sọ́sàn mi.
Ọ̀sọ̀ sáàmì
Tọ̀.
1,499 fún.
Mi complain òun gbọ̀kọ̀ irọ́ ló bá lóhùn òun fẹ́. Bó ti rí mi ìyìn ní tẹ́.
People of the world, skincare is expensive. My friend is tired.
They don't tell you.
She's having insane headache. Skincare is expensive.
Even son in Ibadan is not.
It's not for the masses.
I'm having serious headache. See this one.
Hey! Where is the yoko?
Orí ni. Láì ṣe
Ọgọ́
orí.
wo rẹ̀?
Ó tún àwọn. Like
People have money in this Ibadan.
as in. Hey,
But just know that skincare is expensive.
it is actually. To remain that baby girl.
Lifestyle. It's not child's play. Yeah? The thing that I'm even buying from Ibadan, I'm complaining. If I can't buy it from Lagos, it's over. This guy don't fat up. Oh. God, I beg. Where do you see money? See stomach. In this Tinubu regime.
We must let everybody
No, it's wrong. They don't
Even
even
you self, you dey check your belle say wetin
What's going on, Kelvin?
Why do they have cameras on me? So guys, I came to visit a celebrity.
Who is
He's a celebrity.
Amy now.
Hey!
Okay, we go carry back. Susan, yes. Yeah.
If there are 200 nights, I don't get to be on a pool. I'm not giving.
Ó kà bá fún yín ní ojú ṣe pé mo lọ́wọ́ tó pọ̀ báyìí náà.
No, yóò máa pọ̀ sí náà.
Yóò pọ̀ sí kó yà pọ̀ sí nítorí àjọ ń jìyà
Ṣùgbọ́n náà
yìí.
yóò máa kó sáà ní jìyà.
Inshallah.
Yóò
Ẹ
ní
mú
jẹ́
change
tiẹ̀.
wa.
Yóò ní
Ẹ
jẹ́
bá wa ní
tiẹ̀.
change.
Mọ́tì bá tiẹ̀ rí. Ẹyẹ rí. Àtọ́fún ikú ẹrẹ tí ọ̀yà rárá.
Ó pè yín. Ẹ ṣe ṣèbí nọ́mbà yín lélẹ̀.
Then, but I've never had any problems with it. I do think there was a firmware update that's
Damn. How many we buy? We bought 3 before. Okay, it came with a gift.
What's the cleaner? And card.
Thank you.
Hear that, Margot? You mess with the Subaru, you get the bumper.
This is so cute. Is this mine?
Calm down.
How much are these?
5. And now she's on promo.
What's the name
Yeah,
of the
that's
brand?
yes.
I was
Shockproof.
I'll pick now. This. And I love it. I love this. It's looking good, right?
Yeah, it matches the clothes actually.
Really?
How do I own it?
Yeah.
Watch this thing, watch this thing. Don't worry.
Pass.
So,
𝗶𝗵𝗵𝗵 head though, I beg you. When you go have for wire, when you go have for wire, I tell you.
if you see the head, you need therapy.
Goodbye to bad energy. Ajé, tí bá jáde tán, àwọn ajá. Tí bá ti fẹ́ múlẹ̀ náà. Give them! Yepo! Yepa!
My girlfriend will come and discover herself in your.
There's some set of
if they born you well, drop your girlfriend with you.
Dude, come
No, nah. If you say they born you well, drop your girlfriend. If you not discover yourself, come bastard. If they born you well, drop her with me. The yandos.
I know you see.
Play! Play
Come on,
music.
let's put this light, make it do like.
Susan Adeke! Give them! Okay. Show them! Okay. 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 Okay.
I don't see this photo.
My dear.
Billionaire, 𝐂𝐤𝐥𝐦𝐢𝐧𝐠, chopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Makawai, 𝐂𝐤𝐥𝐦𝐢𝐧𝐠, billionaire, 𝐂𝐤𝐥𝐦𝐢𝐧𝐠. Look, I say I'm carrying my bag. See, I'm carrying my bag. Tinubu, you do me this one. You do me this one, oh.
Tinubu 1, you
0. My God will judge you. My God will judge you.
What we find? You guys.
Yeah. I tell this girl to go and buy cash. You don't want to buy
It's
cash.
crazy right now. Like, I mean, transport. Hey, I don't know how we Nigerians gonna survive this, but finger crossed and hoping for the best that we survive.
Finger is not even crossing anymore. Let me off it before these people be looking at me like what's going on here.